Now, of course, this wouldn't be a true mobile projector test if we didn't compare this to the Moto Z1. The Moto Z1 came out in 2016, so it's 9 years old at this point. It is much thinner and much smaller, but it did have the option for a mobile projector. So for the Z1, to turn it on, you'd pull down from the top. It would show you that a MotoMod was connected. And then you can turn on the projector from the drop-down menu. So we click that, project screen. And then we will go back to Chrome and then play the zero copyright music. So with the MotoMod, the projector is here on the right side of the phone. So when you're projecting onto the wall, the landscape image on the phone would also show up landscape on the wall. So the MotoMod does not have automatic focus. So there's a little dial on the front here that you would have to use to adjust the focus. The Tank 4 does have automatic focus, so it will, depending on how close or far away you are, it would automatically adjust the focus. But there we go. Now, so that blurriness we saw is not the blurriness from my camera recording. That is the blurriness from the projector lens not being in focus. But it is now in focus, and so the MotoMod does the same thing. So when I hold the MotoMod up to the camera like this, we see a nice square image on the wall, and then if I move it way down below like this, you can see it's distorted at the top, but then it automatically adjusts. So same sort of deal as the Tank 4 projector. So you can see that the projector is showing a narrower image at the bottom and a wider image at the top, since I'm holding the projector lower than the camera, but the automatic keystone adjust makes the image in the center square, the actual video that you're watching. And then if I raise this up above the camera and point it down, we see that it adjusts there real quickly so that the video you're watching is not distorted.